So Neptune retrograde for Gemini, Cancer, Taurus, and Leo. Pag nakita nyo po itong message na ito before July the 6th, this reading is for you. However, para sa Pisces, this might have an effect up until December the 7th. No, ganun siya katagal. This is again for Neptune retrograde. As we all know, Neptune has been ruling Pisces for 13 years already. So next year, babalik na siya sa Aries at magsisimula na siya ng another 165-year cycle, no? So last retrograde or last ruling rather of Neptune kay Pisces before the last cycle. Alright, again, Gemini, Cancer, Taurus, Leo, and Pisces. For Gemini, ang daming lumaglag. For Gemini, Cancer, Taurus, and Leo before July the 6th. For Pisces before December the 7th, no? Rest and rejuvenate. Material and spiritual prosperity. So ang nakikita ko dito, wag muna tayong masyadong madaliin, no? Wag natin masyadong madaliin itong mga gusto nating mangyari dahil dadating naman itong sinasabi nating divine timing, no? Lalo na sa nakikita ko dito doon sa mga binanggit kong zodiac. Chances are pinipilit kasi nating mangyari, no? Lalo na nitong mga nakaraang linggo or nakaraang buwan, para ma-achieve natin, ma-experience natin. I believe that before or July the 6th moving forward, no, itong mga gusto nating mangyari, dun pa lang ang opening. So makikita natin na parang itong mga effort natin, hindi naman siya sayang, pero dadating din naman siya. So kalma, pwede naman po tayo nang magpahinga dahil yung material and spiritual prosperity, ang nakikita ko dito is pagdating naman po sa mga abundance, literally money or itong mga bagay na gusto natin, nakakita ko dito ng for those of you wanting to experience rather going out of town or migrating, no, to another place. Yung iba naman po is makapagtrabaho sa ibang lugar. It is very possible, no, with standing your ground, obstacle and challenges. So ito mga nararanasan natin na to, na mga challenges sa buhay, is wag po nating masyadong dibdibin, no? We learned from our mistakes, and I am seeing here again with the divine timing, wag nating sukuan, especially kapag desire talaga ng ating puso. So which means even without doing anything, no, parang things will be falling into their own places. So how about when it comes to romance? New life, I told you, coming to the edge. I feel like meron naman po tayong doon sa mga naghahanap ng bagong karelasyon or new experience sa buhay together with their partners in life, no? Ang nakikita ko dito is more of you're heading to a new cycle as well, to a new chapter of your life, and I feel like eto na yung time, either proposal, cohabitation, and marriage. And as you can see, nakikita ko yung pinaka-bottom is between the worlds or between worlds. So from dull moments to having a color, ang ganda ng energy dahil doon sa mga naghahanap ng makakarelasyon. This is the time, no, para i-express natin kung kailangan. Kung hindi naman, I feel like you are waiting for your person, no, para ma-express nila ang kanilang damdamin para sa iyo, and I feel like merong mga pag-amin na magaganap. So, congratulations. Doon naman po sa mga nag-aaway, I feel like meron ditong um, reconciliation, paghingi ng tawad at pagbabalikan, no? And I feel like moving forward, both of you already learned the importance of each other, the importance of the connection. And I feel like this is heading towards another level of commitment. Napakagandang blessings, napakagandang message. Again, this is Neptune retrograde, July the 6th, for Gemini, Cancer, Taurus, and Leo. For Pisces, again, this is a different story. This is up until December the 7th. Take advantage of it. No, let's try to vibe, especially itong mga blessings na ito, and manifest, no? So, maraming salamat. Again, this is Daphne by Babaylan TV. Paalam.